Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
And we're with Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. We are here in the middle of nowhere. We're out on Highway 16 and we decided to take you guys out on a little street ride today. So we are on the street bikes. And like I said, we're heading up to Lake County. This is a road we haven't taken you guys on, so we thought we would take you on a new route. But let's take a look at the bikes we're on today. Of course, Bogna is on the one and only MT-09. The trusty MT-09. It's looking good. It's got some nice mods to it. And then of course I'm on the R9T Racer. It's got the new carbon fiber bits. Courtesy of Eddie. Eddie, thank you. The Boss header is sounding delicious. New headlight. Bogna's got some new bits on her bike. But you ready to roll? I'm ready to roll. All right, let's get on these bikes. All right, guys, we're loaded up and ready to roll. All right. So we're heading out of, I believe it's called Gowinda, and we're heading up to a town called Rumsey, and then outside of Rumsey, we're gonna have some pretty decent twisties. So it should be a nice little ride. We got about 20 minutes ahead of us. So we are just hitting our 3,000 subscriber mark. So I want to thank everybody for sticking with the channel. We've had a very nice run, and we're loving it. We're loving what we're doing. So thank you guys so much. Let's see if we can get around this pre-eye without getting destroyed. So we've been trying to mix up the channel. We've been trying to kind of have some different things going on with the channel. So we hope everybody's kind of cruising through the channel, kind of going back and forth through the playlist. We've got some stuff going on with the BRZ soon. We've got some stuff going on with the Super Beast soon. And then of course, you know, our primary love is the motorcycles. We're trying to do a little bit more on the street for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy that. Of course, we'll still be on track. I know we've gotten a lot of good positive feedback from really across the playlist. So there's been a lot of positive through the YouTube channel. So thank you guys for keeping positive, because as you know, there's a lot of negativity, especially when you get out to the keyboard warriors and all these guys that really you know, maybe they don't quite think before they type, but just, you know, in general, everything has been really a very good positive. So thank you guys for that. But we've gotten a lot of good positive from the instructing on track and the coaching that I do on track. We have a lot of people you know, that come up to us at Cali Track Days that say they've watched the video and it's been very helpful. So that's very nice to be able to hear, and the good positive feedback that we get from that. And but all around, you know, we just like sharing what we're doing with the motorcycles and the love that we have, and try to grow the motorcycle sport back up to what it used to be. You know, I used to I've been riding for 25 years now. And Bogna's been for 4 years, and we, you know, we're still learning. I'm still learning, but we'd love to be able to share what our experiences are and what we do and how we can help people continue to love this sport, because as I always talk about, is the sport's kind of a dying, it's a dying breed. And you know, I want people to come out and know that you know, yeah, sometimes we blur the little speedo, and sometimes we do a little bit faster than maybe we should on the street, but we try to do it in a safe manner. We don't do it in a very reckless way, so we try to keep everything, although sometimes it is a higher speed, we try to keep it at a safe and good manner. We don't try to put anybody in danger. We don't, you know, wheelie past groups of people and, you know, smack cars and stuff like that. So really want to keep it just in a good positive way. So thank you guys for keeping positive, and of course thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button. You know, it's really important. A lot of people, I think, don't understand how important it is to become a subscriber on a channel. And you know, we're just about 8 months old now, and based on what most people say is, you know, I'm very happy with how the channel's grown. I'm happy with how we've been able to provide what we've been able to provide to you guys. But I do notice that I think people don't understand how important it is for you to subscribe to a channel. And I subscribe to many channels. Our channel is subscribed to a lot of different channels. But subscribing to a channel, the reason it's important is because it gives us, and it gives YouTube and their analytics and their algorithm something to see and project off of. So, you know, we always ask for you guys to subscribe, and everyone asks for you to subscribe, and the reason why they do is because subscribership is really going down. And so I know it's kind of annoying that we're always talking about subscribing and likes and comments. The reason why we have to do this, and the reason why we really need your participation in this is what YouTube relies on in their algorithms, and how they place us and where they put us, and how they show our content, and then our analytics and how we see things. And so it's very important. So, you know, we always ask for you guys to subscribe. Please just hit that subscribe button. If you really love our content, ring that bell button. The bell button is going to tell you we've got some awesome new content. Our content, how we do our content is we have a video every other day. We're not on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. We're on kind of a rotating schedule, but we want to give you guys good content every other day. Sometimes some of the content runs on a little bit long. We try to keep it short. We try to keep the videos between 10 and 20 minutes, so it's something that's you know, feasible to watch. So, you know, the length of time that you guys watch the videos, we're judged on as well. Oh, nice big little Harley rally, I guess. But we're judged on this, and our analytics show us how long you guys like things. So the longer you guys watch, the better our algorithms hit. So, you know, please, you know, watch our videos for a little bit longer if you can. Our average is actually pretty decent. Our average is 6 to 8 minutes, so that's a good analytic for us to know. So I think that's a good high number based on what YouTube's analytics and algorithm says we should be. So the like button, I think a lot of people don't understand the benefits and disbenefits to dislike and to like. So the like button is there, obviously, for you guys to like the video. But what I would like to encourage you guys not to do is hit the dislike because you dislike something that you agree with me. Let's say the BMW S1000 RR video. Some people, they hit the thumbs down because they're like, oh yeah, the S1000, that thing sucks, right? So they hit the thumbs down button. Well, the thumbs down button actually counts against our channel. So, and a lot of people don't understand that. I didn't understand that until just recently, when it gives us not only our videos but our channel, the more thumbs up we have and the percentage of dislikes we have all count against us. So hit the thumbs up button. Really only hit the dislike button if it's something you really firmly dislike and believe. Otherwise, hit the thumbs up button, or maybe just not hit the button at all. So that's very important. Comments, we always ask for comments. We want your guys' feedback. We want to be interactive. We respond to 90% of all of the comments. We do delete some comments. We think that some of the negative comments don't really necessarily need to be there. So we do delete some comments, but we do have open commenting on all of our videos, and we welcome you guys to please shoot us a comment down below on things that you like, questions. I'm happy. I'm an open book. I really am. There isn't much I won't share with you guys. So feel free to ask anything, you know, in any of our videos. We get some people that ask about the F-250 truck, and or Bogna's BRZ, or the R9T Racer, or the MT-09. So we've got a lot of questions. A lot of people ask us a lot of questions, and we try to stay very interactive with you guys. So please shoot us a comment down below, because again, that really actually does help our channel, because the algorithms and the interaction of us interacting with you shows that we're a very active channel. So we appreciate you guys shooting us comments. And like I said, me and Bogner, we're really an open book. So we want you guys to know that you guys can really feel free to ask us just about anything. So feel free, please. And so, you know, YouTube is, I watch a lot of YouTube, guys. I watch a lot of the big YouTubers. TJ Hunt, I love TJ. TJ, thank you for your content. The Stradman, Vehicle Virgins, Daily Driven Exotics. Some of these really big channels, I watch them, and I watch them for many different reasons. One, I love their content. I love what they have to be able to offer. So I really like their content. But let's say TJ Hunt, you know, he just talked about, you know, building a channel. It can take up to 2 years to really become a channel that people actually watch. And I feel like we've been lucky enough to be able to kind of fulfill a niche, to be able to offer you guys some great content. And I feel like you guys kind of watch it. So thank you guys so much. But it's not an overnight thing. You know, we're really going to be, this is somewhat of a third full-time job for me and Bogna. Obviously, I shoot a lot of the videos. Bogna edits all the videos. But there's not just, you know, a lot of people think that the editing of the videos is just something quick that you throw up. It's really not. It's more than that. We have our Facebook page. Please follow us on Facebook, and our Instagram page, all under Cali Moto TV. So when videos come out, we post them on both our Facebook and our Instagram. So we also do this with Cali Track Days. So Cali Track Days, we have obviously our Facebook and Instagram page as well. But Bogna schedules all of our videos to come out under both of those. So scheduling that, and writing those posts, and writing all this stuff about this, and editing and uploading, and just everything about the YouTube channel, it's like a full-time job. And some of these guys it's become their full-time job. Is that what we're looking to do? I don't know. I don't want to say at this point that I'm looking to be a full-time YouTuber. I have a successful business. I'll talk about that in a second. But I've got a successful business. Bogna has a very successful job. And this is what we love. So we're doing this for the love. Same thing with Cali Track Days. Cali Track Days is not a profitable business for me. And in fact, it costs me thousands and thousands of dollars a year to run Cali Track Days. But why do I do it? Because I love it. Because I love doing it. It's the love that I have for motorcycles. It's the love that I have for you guys. So that's why we're doing this. So will I become a full-time YouTuber? I don't know, it depends on how often you guys hit that subscribe button. So but I think that we have a good channel, and I thank you guys for supporting the channel, so thank you. The successful business I have, I repair medical equipment. If you guys don't know, if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for watching past that 8-minute mark. I repair medical equipment, so it's a good niche. It allows me to have the flexibility and finances to be able to finance this channel and Cali Track Days, so I'm grateful for that. Bogna's got an amazing job with the company called GSN, Game Show Network. If you play any of their apps, she plugs them every once in a while, so I'll give Game Show Network and Solitaire Tri-Peaks a quick plug, because these guys, they make an amazing app game, and Bogna is a big part of their events and marketing department. So we have very good jobs. So for us to leave these jobs, we gotta be making some good money. But I really love the channel. I love the channel and where it's at, and I thank you guys so much for the support. I really do. I hope you guys watched this video. I hope you guys have made it all the way through. I hope you guys have hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys have rang that chime button. And I hope I've given you guys a little bit more insight about YouTube and what YouTube means to us, and where we want to go with this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to conclude this video here now. Bogna has made it back behind me, and I hope you guys enjoyed that wonderful ride. It's I love it. I've been up through there a few times, and I really enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button again, and again, please give us a like on our videos, and smash that comment button down below and leave us a comment. Is there anything you'd like to know about us? We're open books. Let us know. But until next video, thanks guys. We'll see you then.